In this lesson, I will explain to you how you can print your workbook. When you done with everything, now this is the time to print the worksheet. So here are the steps. First of all, you have to select the file tab, then you have to go on the backstage view. So first I will show you here very slowly that these are the steps to print the worksheet, right? But I will show you where is the backstage view. You have to go, first of all, you have to click on this file tab. In file tab, this is called the backstage view. In backstage view, you will see this is the print option. Click here, right? And then here, from here, you have to select how many copies you want. If you want 4, 5, 6 copies, with the up arrow, you can increase the number. From down arrow, you can decrease the number. By default, it says 1. So 1 is fine here. Then if you have a different printer, so open this and find out which printer. So these are the different printers. Here is the fax as well. We are not learning fax, so printer is fine, whatever printer you have. Then from here the setting starts. Print active sheet means if you will click yes, only the first page will print, the active sheet will print. But here you can see that we have 14 pages. If you will move on from here, we have different 14, right? Whatever is active, it says print active. If you will click yes print, then it will print this for you. But open this arrow, it says print entire workbook. Yes, we want the entire workbook, so click here. We want all the pages of our workbook, right? And from here, if you want, you can select the range as well. Again, it will, suppose if you want to print from number 5 to number whatever you want, 8 or 10, you can also select from here as well range. If you do not want to print the entire workbook, you can select your range of pages from here. Then second option is again print one side. If you want one side or you want to both side, right? So it's up to you according to your situation. If it is your for textbook or whatever, I will say I will recommend that both side is fine. But for office paper, normally we print on one side. But again, it's up to you, right? Collated, here open it and see we have uncollated or collated option. Then we have a landscape. Open this, you want a portrait or the landscape, right? So see, this is the portrait. And then from here we have different sizes of paper: envelope, A4, B5, legal, letter, whatever. And from here you can set the margin, mean top margin from here or here, how much space you want to get, say wide, normal. So usually we do this normal, so normal is fine. And then no scaling or scaling, open this, fit sheet on one page, fit all columns on one page, fit all rows on one page, right? If I say all rows, so you have to select here. Then we have a page setup option as well. Open this here and see adjust to or fit to. If I will say fit to one page, right, then everything will be on one sheet, but it will be very very small. Again, same thing you can do from here, landscape or portrait, whatever I show here, more or less same information is here, right? Here is the margin, here is the header and footer and all. First page number automatically, here is the letter size, page size, whatever you want. Scroll and see, because in our printer we use different kind of papers, right? So again, this is your option. And then click on the options button and see what we have on the option. We have this print quality, paper type, pages, right? So all this information you will get from where, go to the file first and then backstage view. In backstage view you have to click print. When everything is set, just you have to click on print and it will print for you hard copy. Right now I will go very slowly so you can pause on each and every slide and then you can read it and see whatever I said is written here. These are all your sheets: March, April, May, print the active sheet, right? You can set your area, print area. So when you will read it, you will find everything clear. And this is the end. So I hope this lesson is clear. Please subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.